Hey, it's Rhonda. I just wanted to come on here today really quick because there's something exciting that I just started, and I actually have some notes, so if you see me looking down, I'm not going to hide it, but it's something I just started, so I wanted to make sure that I could get you guys all the information. So I don't know if you guys have heard of the Acorns app or not, but right now they have a new $600 bonus available this week until January 15th. So January 15th is my birthday, so that's good luck for me, I guess. Anyways, if you sign up by January 15th and you refer 4 people, you can earn this $600 incentive bonus. Now, for every referral you get when you join this Acorns app, you get $5 anyway if you use somebody's referral code. So they get $5 and you get $5, and this is an investment app. So with this incentive, with the 4 people, that actually comes out to be about $620 you could earn this week with a $5 investment. So if you haven't opened up an Acorns app, just so you know, it is a stock investing account app. You can look it up. It's totally legit. It's been around. It has really good reviews. Anyways, what they do is they take your spare change and they invest it. So they put it in deposit. So when you go to the store, you hook up either your credit card or your debit card, whatever you want, if you want to do that. And you can round up. So say something comes to $10.30. You round it up and set the extra 70 cents goes into this investment app. And they have over 7,000 stocks and bonds, and you can pick what levels you want, and they invested in that for you. So you can also invest if you want weekly or monthly. You can tell them that you want them to take so much out of your account and invest it for you. You can also do that, or you can just use your spare change. So this is a way to get people to start investing if maybe you don't have a lot of money to invest, or you're just looking for something extra that is super easy and you don't even have to think about it because they do all the work for you. So if you're not in this investment app, I just started it, and I did a lot of looking into it before I started it, because if you don't know me, I'm kind of a skeptic, but it's really exciting. And even if you don't go for these bonuses or anything, just the investment part of it is a good way to get you to start investing. But if you'd like to learn more, there will be a link. It'll be my referral link, just so you know. I'm always upfront about all of that, either above or below this video, wherever you're seeing this. If you have any questions, I will leave you a way to reach me, or you can just DM me. So let me know if you're interested and if I can help you in any way.